healthy life starts with exercising and watching what you eat. On average, the typical adult eats 1.5 kilograms of food and drinks 2 litres of water each day. But we also breathe. Every day 7,000 litres of air pass through our lungs. And in general, controlling what air we breathe is out of our hands. Even inside our buildings, we're exposed to pollutants that come from materials used for coating certain furniture and floors.
Data has been collected from different parts of the world, from Europe, the United States and China, showing that there are high levels of pollution. Pollution which can generate respiratory diseases such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and lung cancer.
According to the World Health Organization, pollution causes, each year, more than 7 million deaths worldwide. That means 1 in 8 people die from diseases associated with pollution. Most of these deaths are from cardiovascular problems, respiratory diseases and lung cancer. It also causes other ailments, such as rashes and conjunctivitis. Our health depends, to a large extent, on the air we breathe. The natural composition of the atmosphere is altered by pollutants, which come mainly from burning enormous amounts of oil, coal and gas, which are used as energy sources for transportation, heating and industrial activity. Among the most harmful contaminants are those containing sulfur, which can be in a gaseous state or in a small solid particle state. Removing these elements is a pressing need. One of the techniques used to reduce pollution is to apply ecogranic pavement.
This type of paving also has the ability to lower the amount of urban pollutants, especially those that come from motor vehicles and heaters. They also reduce the formation of other pollutants that are harmful to our health.
This technique reaches its maximum efficiency with ecogranic photocatalytic pavement, developed by the company PVT, in collaboration with scientists from several research centres.
In the R&D department, we discovered the decontaminating effect of Ecogranic when we looked for a pavement that had additional functionality to that of traditional pavements. We looked into several areas, such as pavements with electromagnetic and photosensitive properties. And ultimately, we decided to focus on photocatalysis and the reduction of air pollutants.
The way this pavement reduces pollution can be compared to photosynthesis, a natural process that plants carry out. During photosynthesis, the leaves function as a factory, using air, water, and a few minerals as raw materials. Additionally, a power source is required, sunlight. The result of the process is the food of the plant, and the waste generated is carbon dioxide. Similarly, Ecogranic is capable of reducing the contaminants in the air, converting them into water and carbon oxides. The difference is that this process can be performed both with and without sunlight. For several years now, Ecogranic has been helping to reduce pollution in the streets of many cities. Already more than 200 projects have been carried out, and there are also more than 100 businesses and institutions that already benefit from cleaner atmospheres inside their buildings, thanks to Ecogranic. After each installation, company technicians perform efficiency tests. These tests demonstrate that Ecogranic eliminates on average 60% of contaminants. Specifically, the nitrogen oxides, volatile organic contaminants, and particles per million are eliminated. Furthermore, the decontamination power of Ecogranic does not change over time. It always decontaminates the way it did on day one. Its effectiveness is certified by the auditors, who gave it the demanding A+ certification.
According to our tracking, we found that over a period of 5 years, ecogranic activity remains unchanged, since the values obtained 5 years ago and now show a similar efficiency in the reduction of air pollutants. As one can see, Ecogranic is manufactured in 2 layers. The bottom layer is made from recycled materials. The upper layer contains potent catalyzers that enhance the photocatalytic performance of current techniques. Its thickness is between 7 and 12 millimeters. Despite the usual grinding processes, it guarantees that the layer is active for more than 25 years.
The European Environmental Agency estimates that the cost of pollution in Europe is at least 300,000 million euros a year, manifested in loss of work days, lower productivity, and healthcare costs. To understand the efficacy of its decontamination capability, consider that an area of ecogranic paving, the size of a football field, eliminates the contamination caused by 4,000 vehicles. And this decontamination saves over 5 million euros a year. But beyond saving money, breathing healthy air means living better. Therefore, Ecogranic is breathing health. Ecogranic is quality of life.